to you in Joplin.
All right, and we have Macy Fosdick turning 7 strong this year in Jasper, Missouri.
Probably see her out at the Eagle football game tonight, it looks like. Happy birthday, Macy. Aspen Wyrick. Speaking of being out at football games, I think Aspen probably spends her fair share out there with a little Seneca Indian pride. And Aspen, these birthday wishes come with love from Mom, Dad, Nana, and Papa.
All right. In St. Paul, we got a couple of birthdays here. We'll kick it off with Ian Spielbush, who's 10 years old.
I wonder if these guys are in the same class, because Sawyer Bourne is in St. Paul, and he is also celebrating his 10th birthday. Happy birthday, Sawyer.
All right, have a little party there. Have a little party in Thayer, too, with Emma Duff, who's now 17 years old. Love that FFA jacket. Nice.
Landon Midget celebrating his 17th birthday. There we go, out on the diamond. I love that. Landon celebrating in Columbus.
Cool picture. And Courtney Ross celebrating birthday number 18 this year in Riverton, with love coming from Nana, Jim, Mom, Dad, and Brock.
Alex Murphy got some birthday wishes for Miss Alex. A happy 28th, and Alex, this comes with love from the whole family.
All right, we got happy 37 going out to Tito.
That's
yeah,
cool.
Robert. We have a special note here.
That's a cool picture right there.
I like it. I like it. I haven't seen this guy in a while. Happy birthday to the dad that has never acted his age. Ain't that true? We love you. Willa, Kinsey, and Kristen.
That's cool, Robert. I'd love to know where you got that picture taken, man. Jennifer Schlein celebrating her 53rd birthday. Jennifer in Columbus with love from Mom, your brother, your sister, Bobby, and Grandma in heaven. Happy birthday, Jennifer.
All right, nice picture there. Janet Atnip is celebrating birthday number 68 this year. Janet is in Jasper, Missouri.
And that means that her son, Adam,
all right,
is celebrating his 39th birthday. So Janet and Adam, a very happy birthday to both of you.
I love that picture. That's a great one. And we've got Steve Cornell turning 71 this year. Look at that catch there for Steve in Neosho.
Come on, Steve. Save some for the rest of us. My goodness. Happy birthday. Roland Brown is celebrating number 94. I guess they call him Brownie. So Mr. Brown / Brownie, a happy 94th in Neosho.
Kind of with a smile there. I like it. In Coffeyville, Kathy Thompson is celebrating another year wiser. Happy birthday, Kathy.
And in Galesburg, a very happy birthday to one Rebecca Pack. That's a sweet ride right there. That's pretty cool.
All right, and it's a 17th anniversary, and we're for the Dietzes. Matt and Tammy, congratulations, 17 years.
Sundown and Donna Jacobs celebrating their 27th. And you can tell that's a crew that knows how to have a good time right there. Congratulations to the Jacobs in Pittsburgh.
All right. And we've got Robert and Shirley Hickson celebrating their 60th anniversary. Congratulations to the Hicksons in Redfield.
Gorgeous picture right there. Shane Schuberger, a happy birthday to Shane in Columbus. Alan Mine, he's turning 72. Happy birthday, Mr. Mine in Girard. And we're going to carry this one into the weekend, even though she celebrated a couple days ago. We're going to carry it into the weekend. Jernette McCracken, a very happy birthday in Girard.
All right. And we got Dana Dixon celebrating the big 5-0 this year. Dana is in Iola, Kansas. Larry and Bev Fight are celebrating their 57th anniversary. They're in Pittsburgh. And also in Pittsburgh, 56 years together for Floyd and Dixie Woods.
Got to figure out why we don't have a picture of one Michael A. Haggerty, who's celebrating the big 5-0. Michael, a very happy birthday in Frontenac. And we got a couple parties going on in Miami, including one of those that's a Sweet 16 for Destiny Styles. Destiny, I want you to have a marvelous, marvelous birthday weekend. And Ross Schloyer, he is, excuse me, I got all choked up. I got excited about Ross's birthday. Ross is also in Miami. A happy birthday and happy anniversary to all. on this September the 24th. Perhaps you're celebrating on the 25th. That's where you can turn them into. Birthdays at KOAMTV.com or on the website, birthdays at KOAMNewsNow.com. Now here's Tanya Bach with a very important birthday announcement.
That's right. You can be a part of the KOAM Birthday Club by going to our website and signing up. And once you do, you'll get special deals from local businesses. Go to KOAMNewsNow.com and sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club today.